In Venezuela, there is one of the world's largest oil refineries. We can understand why Nicolas Maduro was being detained, why his wife was being detained, and not about Venezuela. Venezuela is being attacked. Venezuela is trying to be caged by the imperialist forces, Donald Trump. US imperialism is trying to put a blockade on Cuba. Even they are trying to attack Colombia. Even they have attacked various countries in past. So, being a left, being a student, being a youth from our city, from our state, it is our responsibility to raise our voice against the US imperialism forces. We are here to protest the way the imperialism forces, especially the US, is trying to dislodge the elected government. The way 3 days ago, Venezuela President Nicolas Maduro was being detained by the so-called American force during the night time. It is a slap on the international laws. It is the start. Venezuela is being attacked by Donald Trump. More countries are in the list. You can see that Venezuela is being targeted. The people over there in the capital of Caracas are in the streets saying that we don't want this kind of an intervention. It is an intervention for the natural resources. It is an intervention for oil refineries. It is an intervention against the international law.
It is clear that Donald Trump and Marco Rubio, they are actually trying to captivate all the oil storage and the fossil fuel storage and all the mineral resources of Venezuela and all over Latin America. This is not new in Venezuela. Now, throughout the world, in our country, in our state, in our city, and throughout the world, only one voice is emerging out, that is free, free Maduro, free, free Venezuela. We extend our solidarity to the people of Venezuela, those who are struggling to bring back their president in their own country. We extend our solidarity to them. Only option, the only solution is socialism. And they know that socialism is the only alternative. That's why they are creating disturbances. That's why they are trying to dismantle the new wave of socialism in Latin America. Socialism! Down, down, capitalism! Up, socialism! Up, Venezuela! Down, down, Venezuela! Up, Venezuela! Down, down!
সাম্রাজ্যবাদ ও তার দোসর ইসরায়েলের কালো হাত চালিয়ে দাও, পুড়িয়ে দাও।
এই ভারতবর্ষের বিদেশ নীতিকে অনেক বেশি যা মার্কিন যুক্তরাষ্ট্রের উপর নির্ভর।
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.